Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Farley Mesko.
Good afternoon. I just want to take 5 minutes and close this panel by looking at some visual examples of illicit networked activity from my research in Somalia that illustrate a bit of an ethical challenge for policymakers. So this is a picture of the financial network surrounding the 2008 hijacking of the MV Sirius Star, so a Saudi oil tanker. Individuals are red in the network. Corporations and organizations are green. And locations are orange. And each of the gray links represents a financial tie, as we've defined it. The large green node in the lower left represents the hijacking itself. So, I mean, immediately we can see that the initial investors in the hijacking, the red nodes linked directly to the large green node at the bottom, have a number of secondary financial ties, and not only to sort of semi-legal drug trafficking in terms of the cot trade, and to the ever-present insurgents linked to global extremists. But these investors are also inextricably tied to the food aid and diaspora remittance delivery systems on which so many Somalis survive. So through contracting companies that do business with the World Food Program and through investments in the Islamic banking system known as Hawala. So given the ethical implications of disrupting these licit humanitarian systems, I want to offer one other potential way of influencing such a network. So in Somalia, illicit financial activity and licit financial activity tends to take place on the backbone of social relationships. And in this particular environment, it's characterized by a competitive and often extremely confrontational clan system. With the clan elders maintaining a significant degree of authority in areas outside of government control. So, to that end, I've added to the network 2 sets of clan elders from clans that were involved in the hijacking. So, the Hawi Abgal clan in yellow and the Hawi Habagadir Saliban clan in dark blue. And I've also highlighted the individuals that I've identified as social gatekeepers. So effectively, those individuals who participate in business activity directly with members of other clans. And I've highlighted them in light blue. Effectively, what they're doing is carrying out the business end of the social relationships brokered by the elders at the top. So really what we've done is identified who is most susceptible to shifting clan dynamics or shifting social pressures, namely those gatekeepers who have to sort of placate multiple competing and often warring parties. And similarly, we've identified who can actually apply the social pressure that might be able to influence those nodes. So in short, the point of all this is to say that by using network analysis technology and methodologies, and by modeling and understanding the social environment in which illicit financial activity takes place, we may indeed be able to apply pressure to these critical nodes by engaging the correct traditional authorities outside of government channels, and in effect influence or disrupt illicit activity without resorting to arresting or otherwise targeting critical nodes in the network. That's it. Thank you very much.